Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, yes, it's weekend. Today, in the weekend edition, weekend edition of Sunday, August the 10th, August the 11th, 2024. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the medium Sudoku with 3 stars. This one I will solve in a minute. And we have a regular puzzle, the samurai sudoku. This one I will solve tomorrow evening. Yeah, if I have solved all the puzzles in this one, the puzzle page of Saturday. We have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4 stars, killer sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the last puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw sudoku. 6 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, and tomorrow afternoon, let me show you, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star sudoku. 2 jigsaw sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 3 stars, 1 star, correction. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon. Yeah. Right now I will start with this one. The medium Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, this one will be number 9064. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25, so this one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column? So the column next, I only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, only place left 8 should be there. And then 7. Need 7 there. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left. 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 7 there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. Only place level 7 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place level 8 should be there. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes, and there, 5, 5. Then it's 7 here. Well, in this column, we need a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. We need a 7. Well, here can be 7. These 2 boxes can be 7. We have a 7 in this big square. No 7 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. So the 7 could be here, here, or there. We see another 7 in this row. No 7 there. We have another 7 in that row. No 7 there. The only place level 7 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. In the 4 there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, only place level 4 is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes in there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4, okay. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 place level 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here, okay. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here, okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 9, 9. Then, let me see. Yeah. 7, 6, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 1, 3, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. Look, we have 3 and 8 in the second row, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left. This big square for number 1. 1 box left in the second row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then... Well. These are 3 missing numbers in the third row. Other numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. 1, 8, 9. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. Okay, 1 and 2. I'm thinking. Need a 2 there, need a 2 here. Then. Let me think. Need a 2 there. And I need a 2 there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here. Or there we have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left, the 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and 6, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places left, the 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. This is number 3, okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. We have a pair, the 2 and the 6 in the last row, the 2 and the 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left, the 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Right. Then 1 and 8, yeah. 1 and 8. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Here we have 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. Well, we have a 8 and a 9 in this column, so no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left, the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left, the 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. The only place left, the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes, and there. 2, oh wait, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4, 5, the 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Apologies. I've moved the puzzle. But we solve it again. Solve it again in 12 minutes. Well. 12 minutes. Cannot believe this. This is really a 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow then. Yeah, tomorrow we have 4 puzzles in the additional, and also in the evening, and Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, a Samurai Sudoku. So a lot of puzzles to solve. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye bye for now.